So on today's hike, I'm testing out a new device that I've never used before. And this device is the ZGCINE PS-G10. And what this device does here is it charges GoPro batteries on the go. So one of the neat features about this is it's got these charging indicator lights down here at the bottom. And the bottom set of lights here, where there's 4, indicates the charge of the actual battery inside this unit. Then the top indicators, where there's 3, indicates the charge status of each GoPro battery inside here. This helps you keep track of the battery life left in here, as well as when each of these GoPro batteries are finished charging. When they're finished charging, the lights will show green on each of these. But until then, my batteries are charging. So the other neat thing about this that I really like is it's also got this USB slot back here. So the USB slot allows the battery pack within here to power your GoPro if you want to. So if you want to use an external power pack with your GoPro, you can connect the USB-C cable here, and then on the other end, you can connect it into your GoPro, and you've got power on the go. So some things I like about this are the feel of it, the size, it fits nicely in the hand, it's easy to throw into the pack, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it feels rugged. Like, it feels like if I was to accidentally drop this, that it's not gonna break on me. It's probably gonna be okay. Now, I didn't chuck it around to find out, but I haven't been exactly gentle throwing it into my pack and taking it out, and it's done great. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for a great way to charge your GoPro batteries on the go. Now, I do own 5 batteries for my Hero 10, but if I had known about this when I bought those 5 batteries, I probably wouldn't have bought the 5. I probably would have bought 2 or 3, because it takes about an hour to charge a Hero 9 or Hero 10 battery. And that's super convenient because it takes about an hour to exhaust one of those batteries on the Hero 10, which is great. So once the battery is done on the Hero 10 here, all I've got to do is disconnect it, pop open the latch, pull out the battery, pull out my charged battery in here, put in the battery that needs a charge, latches right into place, very satisfying feel to it, and it's got a magnetic cover. Then I take my charge battery here and I pop it back into my GoPro, latch it up, mount it back on, and I'm good to go again. So this also comes with a USB to USB-C cable, and it has a USB-C to USB-C. So when you want to charge this up, plug this cable in back here, and then you can either plug this into your computer, or if you have a wall adapter that connects to USB-C, that's what I use. I have one from Anker connected to that. And when you plug it into the wall adapter, this does charge faster than if you plug it into a computer. But the other nice thing about this is not only is it charging on the go, but it's charging any place you have an outlet or a computer to plug this in. Because what you can do is if you have this end plugged into a computer or a wall outlet, you can have 3 batteries in here charging at the same time as the big battery built into this is charging. So super cool. You know, you can get a dual battery charger from GoPro, but you can't get a triple battery charger from GoPro. And also, a lot of chargers either work with the newer batteries or they work with the older batteries. But this one is neat because it works with all batteries from the Hero 5 Black all the way up to the Hero 10. So that alone is super cool because I still own and use a Hero 6 Black quite a bit. And it's nice to be able to charge those batteries in here at the same time as the Hero 10 batteries side by side. Another neat feature of this is it does fully charge one battery first before going on to the next. So instead of simultaneously charging them from 0 up to 100, it does charge the one that you put in the slot closest to 1 first, which is great. I would rather have one battery get fully charged in an hour than have 3 batteries all be fully charged in 3 hours, because chances are I'm gonna wanna pull one of these out within an hour and get using it. So I don't wanna wait 3 hours for all of them to charge. It's really a neat product. Props to ZGCINE for this product. Oh yeah, and something I forgot to mention, it's got 4 slots inside here. I don't know if you can see that in the lid. Let the light hit it a little better. It's got 4 slots in here for MicroSD cards. So if you have extra MicroSD cards for your GoPro and you want a good safe place to keep them where they're not gonna get lost or damaged, put them right on the lid here, close the lid, They're gonna stay right there for you. Now, as far as the battery life here, I have found that I've been able to charge about 5 GoPro batteries on one charge of this. So that is really good too. That's more than enough for a day of adventure. So again, I consider this a great value. If you're interested in checking this out for yourself, I've linked to it in the description below. And I've also linked to my Anker wall charger in case you don't own one of those and want to pick one up. It's great. It charges stuff much faster than plugging this or your GoPro batteries into a computer. So I definitely recommend the wall charger as well. Complements this nicely. If you have any other questions about this product, definitely let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until we talk again, happy GoProing.